I welcome you all for the part 3 topic operator precedence. This is a part 3. So I am continuing with step number 4. So this is a parsing input string with the given input. This input has been given in the example itself, that is asterisk id equal to id. Right. So this is going to replicate the same way we have seen the previous parser, that is shift reduce parser. The same way we are going to starts with dollar. Here also it is dollar. What is the input we have given? Take that and write it asterisk id equal to id, right? So what are the action shifting and reducing you need to perform here, right? This is the very interesting part where you can understand very easily, right? We need to compare this. Okay, so we need to compare this. If we got leading symbol, then shift. If we got trailing symbol, then reduce. This is the rule. If we got leading, shifting, trailing, reducing, right? So as I already told you, previous step is the heart of step number 4. Now see here, we got this table. Now we need to compare dollar and asterisk. So we have a dollar here and we have an asterisk here. Dollar asterisk, what is the matching symbol I'm getting is leading. If I'm getting leading, this is leading, this is leading, and this symbol is called as trailing, right? So if I'm getting leading symbol, I need to shift. That is what I told you. So I compared this. Whatever you do it in action. So I compared dollar and I got leading symbol asterisk. That means we need to shift, right? So dollar here and we have leading symbol asterisk. So we have leftover in input is id equal to id dollar, right? So we can compare only the input strings, right? So we can compare only the input strings, so that we should not compare, we should not compare any symbol with input string. So that is a wrong comparison, right? Now I'm going to match asterisk and id, right? So in this particular given table, what is asterisk and id? I got leading symbol. This is a leading symbol. You know very well what we get if we get the leading symbol. If we get the leading symbol, then we need to shift. So I compared this asterisk and then I got leading symbol and then I need to shift. I hope you people understood how exactly the shifting is performed, right? Now dollar, here it is leading symbol asterisk. Again we are moving this particular id. So we left equal to id and dollar. So you can able to check it how this particular shifting has been performed. It is performed only if you are getting leading symbol, right? So the next thing I'm comparing this id with equal to. If I'm comparing this id with equal to, you can see here id is here, equal to is here. We need to get leading symbol. We are getting, sorry, trailing symbol, right? So if we are getting this trailing symbol, I told you already we need to reduce. So I have compared this particular thing. What is that? id and I got trailing symbol with equal to. Then reduce. So this is what we need to do. Reduce what? Only in the stack, not in the input, right? So I need to reduce this part because this symbol has to be reduced, or else you cannot compare this symbol with any other input string. That is most important thing. So we are reducing it. So what exactly we got after reduction? So we have asterisk, here it is equal to id and dollar, right? So now we need to compare asterisk and equal to. So asterisk, I'm comparing asterisk and equal to. So I'll show you this table again. Asterisk and equal to. We got again a trailing symbol. So if you are getting trailing symbol, we need to perform reduction. So asterisk, trailing symbol we got equal to. Again we need to reduce it. So as you all know, we need to reduce both. Okay, so now we have dollar here, we have equal to here, id and dollar, right? Now we need to compare again. This dollar has to compare with equal to, and let me check what exactly this dollar and equal to is. We are getting leading symbol for this, right? So write in action dollar leading equal to, right? Now we got shift, right? So shift it over here. So now here dollar, we got leading symbol and equal to. So we have id here and dollar here. Now compare this equal to and id. Now if you're comparing this equal to and id, again I'm showing you this table. Equal to is here, id is here, we got leading symbol, right? So equal to is here, leading symbol id. So if you are getting leading, you all know we need to shift it, right? So finally we got this equal to, again leading id, we have dollar alone here. So dollar is the root here, that is the last input string here. We cannot shift dollar from input string to stack. So we can compare and check whether we can able to shift it or reduce it. So I am comparing this id with dollar. So I am taking this particular sheet again. You can see id is compared with dollar. We got trailing symbol. You know very well what the trailing has to be done. It has to be reduced. So I compare id and I'm comparing this. I got reduction state. So I'm reducing it, this 2. So left out over is dollar, leading symbol and equal to. We have dollar here. So again I'm comparing equal to and dollar. So equal to and dollar I'm comparing. Let me show you what exactly. Equal to is here, dollar is here. So I am getting trailing symbol again. So trailing in the sense we need to reduce. So I am reducing it. So what exactly was reduced? This two part is reduced. And what is the left out part here? We have dollar in the stack and dollar in the input. So if we get, the parser is getting the start and the end, that means all the in between strings has been passed successfully. Then the action will be accept.